houses up there on the ridge, but can you imagine having a house and waking up and seeing these beautiful mountains around you every morning? It's going to be very hard for me today because I think everything I see is going to be amazing. I'd say I'm in the Rockies now. I hope the car turns so you can see this amazing thing to the left that I'm just going towards. It just, I don't know if you can grasp the enormity of it through the video, but it's just, oh my gosh, it's like a monument. It just, this is, I just get very emotional when I see this type of nature. This is my spirituality. This is where I get my inspiration and my joy, my peace. It's just beautiful. It's hard for me to express sometimes how I feel. It just overwhelms me with gratefulness and wonder at life, the world. This is such a small part of our whole world, and we rarely see it, you know.